as your physics professor in this semester, and today I'll be going to discuss about projectile motion. Okay, so are you familiar with the word projectile motion? Okay, so if you remember your science class or your science subject before, that motion is a change of position of a particle from its reference point of observation. Okay, so an example of motion is a bus traveling from Dumaguete to Mabinay, because there's a change of position there from its reference point of observation, which is from Dumaguete. While projectile means any object that once projected or dropped is continuous in motion by its own inertia and is influenced by downward force of gravity or the gravitational force. That's projectile. So an example of projectile is a ball that is thrown vertically upward, because once a ball is vertically upward, it will go downwards by its own inertia and influenced also by the gravitational force. So that's an example of projectile. But projectile motion means a motion of any object that is projected or thrown into the air subject to only acceleration of gravity. So that's projectile motion.
For more ideas about what is projectile motion, I have here a demonstration to illustrate further the concepts of projectile motion. Please watch carefully, and I am encouraging you to take down notes on the important ideas or concepts as I demonstrated this topic. So these are the materials needed: a ruler, meter stick, bond paper, carbon paper, marble, cardboard, and a graphing paper. Observe carefully on the figure shown below. This presents us our ramp. Let us place our board with bond paper and carbon paper at 10 cm of horizontal distance from the edge of the bent ruler. Place the marble at the top of the bent ruler and let it roll down the edge of the table. It will be then projected off the table and will strike the carbon paper covered board, leaving an impression in the bond paper. Move the board 5 cm farther away from the edge of the table and repeat step 3 for various horizontal distances between the ramp, 5 cm from the preceding position at the same height.
그리고 나와 같은 너에게 화려한 조명이 감춰진 쓸쓸해 보여 어두운 내 그림자 늘 맑았기에 그 가면 뒤 숨겨왔던 상처들을 꺼내 작은 바람에도 흔들려 생각 나를 또 삼켜 그럼에도 인생이란 여행 솔로.
Examine the bond paper underneath and measure the heights of the marks on the paper from the base of the board. Tabulate the vertical displacements together with the corresponding horizontal displacements. Plot the points of the vertical displacements or dy versus horizontal displacements dx in the graphing paper. Did you learn now what is projectile motion? To prove that you learned something, let us answer these questions.